A is for apple. A apple. Red apple. B is for baby. Baby. A baby. Cute baby. C is for candy. 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 Sweet candy. D is for dolphin. 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 Leopard dolphin. E is for elephant. 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 Big elephant. M is for fairy. Baby. Baby. Flying fairy. G is for glasses. 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 Shiny glasses. H is for horse. Horse. Running horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jelly. 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 Yummy jelly. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. Click keyboard. L is for lion. 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 Roaring lion. M is for monkey. Jumping monkey. N is for needle. Needle. Sharp needle. O is for orange. Orange. Gypsy orange. P is for pony. Pony. Clicky pony. Q is for queen. Queen. R L is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. Hot sun. T is for train. Train. Choo train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. Kids van. U is for water. Water. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for York. Z is for zebra.